know what you're here for.
Relationship problems. Everybody has them. Everybody wants to be in a relationship. But do people think of the problems that are in relationships and the problems that come along with relationships before they jump into it? I don't think a lot of people do. And that's what I'm here today to talk about, that shit. So let's get started. First thing, females, you assume too quick. Like, if you call us and we're on the other line, first thing you either suspect is we're talking to our ex, or we're talking to another girl, or we're just trying to avoid you. Now, don't get me wrong, I can understand if some guys have a messed up past with you in relationships and stuff, then I can understand where you feel that. But if it's every single time, come on, think about that. Like, we're not trying to avoid you. I could be talking to my mom, my brother, somebody. But then when you say that I'm trying to avoid you, that just makes me just think like, alright, she thinks I'm avoiding her. Then we gotta try to get that trust back. What the fuck am I even talking about at this point? Guys, you have to appreciate what you have in a relationship. Because if you don't, then somebody else will. And that's the main reason that females don't give their all into a relationship. And I can see that, and I understand why. They figure, why give their all in a relationship when somebody else isn't going to do the same for them? Now, quite frankly, I can understand that. And I respect females when they tell me that. Like, I can't give my all to you because of my past or my ex and shit. And I respect and I understand completely. Because I'm not going to get into details or some shit. But yeah, I can understand that. Females, I understand what you're telling me when you tell me that shit. Females and niggas do this all the time. When you're in a relationship, you always bring up the past. Which, quite frankly, I don't understand. You ask stuff about the past that you know you don't want the answer to. And then when you get the answer that you didn't want, you're mad at me. Like, the past is behind me. You're my present. I'm trying to have the future with you. See what I did there? See what I did there? But then this is what I always tell. This is like what I tell my brothers. And this is my motto. Don't ask me about my past unless you want to be back there with it. That rude? Is that blunt? Is that simple, really? So I really shouldn't have to explain it no more. The last topic for today, and this is kind of a question: why do females and niggas do this in every relationship? They let their single, jealous ass friends make their decision for you. In a relationship, I was always told there was one boyfriend, one girlfriend, not 5 best friends and 5 sisters that's gonna tell her that she doesn't need to be with you. You get what I'm saying? You get where I'm going with this? But I can't really say, because I'm not a female. When it comes to relationships and shit, and yeah, as a nigga, when it comes to relationships, I don't let nobody make my decisions for me. If I want to break up with you, I'm gonna break up with you on my own, not because it's somebody else told me. Makes sense? But fuck it. What can I say? I'm just another nigga who rap. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up for me if you know. And if you got a topic you want me to talk about, just leave it in the comments. If you want to get in contact with me or go look at some more shit about me, all that shit will be in the description. But from now on, I'm the wow.